Welcome. In this video, we're diving into location services on your iPhone and how to fix them when they are not working. First, let's identify some common symptoms that indicate your location services might be having issues. Step 1 is to check your location services settings. Go into Settings, tap Privacy, and then Location Services. Next, ensure your GPS is enabled. Go back to Settings, then Privacy, and look for Location Services. Step 3 is to check for updates. Go into Settings, tap General, and then Software Update to make sure you're running the latest iOS version. Step 5 is simple, just restart your iPhone. This can often solve temporary glitches. Moving on to Step 6, make sure the apps you wish to use location services for have permission. Check each app's settings under Location Services. Finally, Step 7 involves resetting your network settings. This can help with connectivity issues that affect location services. And there you have it. If you've gone through all these steps and are still having issues, be sure to check Apple's support page for more resources.